Did you know chiropractic care isn't just for back pain? Most people think chiropractors are just back crackers. But chiropractic care goes way beyond just fixing backs. Your spine is like the main highway for your nervous system. And if there's a traffic jam there, the whole body feels it. The misalignments, called spinal subluxations, can put pressure onto your joints and nerves, causing headaches, joint pain, and can even mess with your digestion. Yep, that is true. A simple spine misalignment could be behind those mystery aches or even that burrito that just didn't sit well. By aligning the spine, chiropractors can help your body work at its best. It's like tuning up the nervous system, making sure that there's no speed bumps along the way. And hey, you might even find more energy, less stress, and better overall wellness. Not bad for something you thought was just for backs, huh? Next time you hear someone say chiropractors are just for back pain, you can tell them, actually, they're for everything, including your back. Do you have trouble sleeping? Your spine might be the undercover culprit. A lot of people struggle with getting a good sleep, and the spine is probably the last thing that they suspect. Misalignments in your spine can put pressure on nearby nerves, creating discomfort that keeps you from tossing and turning. It's like your body's trying to sleep with a pebble in its shoe. Chiropractic adjustments can help by correcting those misalignments, easing the pressure on the nerves and the back, and letting your body relax. A well-aligned spine allows your nervous system to chill out, making it easier to fall into that deep, dreamy sleep. So if counting sheep just isn't cutting it, maybe it's time to count on your spine. Chiropractic care could be the natural sleep solution you didn't see coming. Better alignment, better sleep, and no sheep required. Did you know that chiropractic care could help boost your immune system? No, it's not magic, it's science. Most people think of chiropractic care as just a way to relieve back pain, but it can do so much more, like supporting your immune health. Here's how it works. Your spine protects your nervous system, which controls everything in your body, including your immune response. When your spine is out of alignment, it's like bad Wi-Fi connection. Messages from your brain to your body get all jumbled up, slowing down your immune system's response. Not ideal when you're trying to fight off a cold or just trying to recover from that sports injury. Chiropractic adjustments can relieve that pressure by aligning the spine, allowing your nervous system to work like a smooth, well-oiled machine. Studies show that when the nervous system is in tip-top shape, the immune response gets a nice little boost. So regular chiropractic care might just be the natural defense you didn't know you needed. Feeling stressed? You might be surprised to learn how simple chiropractic adjustment can help you relax without needing a vacation to the Bahamas. When stress builds up in our bodies, it often gets carried in our muscles, especially around the neck and shoulders. Ever feel like you're wearing a backpack full of stress? But here's the thing, this tension can pull your spine, causing misalignments that put pressure on your nerves, which only makes you feel worse. It's like your body's stress playlist on repeat. But here's where chiropractic care steps in, like your personal stress-busting DJ. A spinal adjustment can help release that tension, allowing your nervous system to work smoothly. Less nerve pressure, better alignment, and boom, your body can finally relax. You might even start to smile again. And guess what? Chiropractic adjustments also boost your natural production of endorphins. And your endorphins are your natural feel-good hormones. It's like a mini celebration for your immune system and for your nervous system without the confetti.